Ebusuafo, mami mo bibia kwaba enfambra GCN page so. Mesro, subscribe to my channel. Founsa mi bell ne so, ubenya notification. And some ekoso o mai mubia ubenye bietie anase ubenye biahwe ewo GCN page ha. Midin ede adwoa searching. Owura Kwame Safa Kayi na okase na yeni mi se Owura Kwame Safa Kayi a well-known journalist our Ghana hanuma yeka top 5 journalists omo ha when the second one the first but me that second and a third and a fourth and a fifth and just a baby a odi da ho na ni program kokroko no so agidin papa e wo Peace FM a obi a etie bi na Owura Kwame Safa Kayi na okase na ne sema okanya ne se eye Galamsey hu nsema ebu o man Ghana just obi a ekebi abofra opinion he hwanyo journalists politicians obia ekebi politicians esoya na pom kwatena TV so radio so eka Galamsey na yensu se na de ade he omu ina omu yebi politicians eka ho oman mu panifuni bi bebre eka ho na afei so no ahemfofo omo eka ho na oni wan koka se okonforce ko kwade no bo na ndwom Owura Kwame Safa Kayi kire se yesoya esinsu asai any his excellence na do dan kwakufado eka say obey president e wo Ghana han from 2016 ni campaign na oye yina I will stop Galamsey na yina ka ho his excellence e be president no yame anim wan fa anto nchen o started so okunde atia Galamsey na ne first time no any Galamsey fight no e du papa kire say excavators almost seize ya ni yinara etutui excavators ni nya taban etutui na as usual Ghana ha no me de bibi sorry hey ye be ne dindin afa ekwawie no na ya ade agu because omo ye Galamsey no kra to me bi omo no say oh we ya ma Ghana 6 months pe be san so start bi imagine enti no second time na che say video bi ebe circulate on social media na che say yensu nyina ese na yensu say na na do ejega no se kai afi we Galamsey na ne be ko papa ansa na ma me 8 years no ewie na mako friend say mefi abema mefi na his excellency has started na ni Galamsey ni koni asem ketu akra and wo be so excavator bi o be hye no and MPP woman organizer omo ahye ni excavators ma me ahye asem ketu akra na no Owura Kwame Safa Kayi HSA politicians and ahemfofo omo Galamsey mu nja na say yensu politics omo nyina omo ya we but omo entumi nka onu akoka so conforce ko na yenti ensema Owura Kwame Safa Kayi de etuja
Galamsey no yenyina yenim but entumi nka say politicians ka ho ahemfo ka ho security for ka ho
yes
local nkrofo na kasa susu ka ho businessmen ka ho enti se just sabi say mo ka ya boy no bidie say ya be kwantia we won't get anywhere say new minister no has inherited the same problem enti no problems on go through as minister ni otimi and went the new minister Iran refined forgive me anyway Dina Baba she's inherited the same problems so she's going to go through that cycle again Western region the same minister so continuous inheritance of the problem we constantly blame Chinese but China ni bi ani ho a
obetimi asori abaga
Ghana akeke abesin abetwem akọ central region Western region, Eastern region, and Ashanti region.
Absolutely.
Yes. You see, it is like the story of slavery. Only say be seen there. You can't the story of slavery.
We blame the whites.
Yeah, the subono bo kwesi broni.
Yes.
But ya ton ya
the were black men.
Yes. Some markets in the northern region.
Yeah,
Salaga slave market.
Yes.
Ya kwachichi yenu ya na kwachichi yenuanu
and we sell them
and ya kwaton yenuanu ma brofo no
yes
but
I agree
but they say slavery no I say yan party woman no ya prepare free ho
no ya share that
so
I agree
in a few years from now the story of Galamsey will be told and blamed on Chinese but
Chairman, we're actually telling the story now and the blame is on the Chinese. Yes, argument.
And they say almost say inti say o de son lane na koya oba see a friend is son die
and yes, and we pretend not to know the difference. Say, oh, Omunyina say, Chairman, there's nothing like waste away. Fingerprints are unique.
Fingerprints are different, but I must say,
but some people actually think young blacks. So yes, say.
I must say,
Chairman, the only common denominator is the height. We pretend a lot in this country. Chairman, we politicians are Omejman Galamsey. That's all they do. Yet we don't have the courage to call them out. We all dance around.
Hi there, my name is Joseph, and I just wanted to ask you, have you ever imagined yourself having more time
around the issue? We pretend it is not an issue. Oh, say politicians, we tend to blame the Chinese because that's the easiest and the cheapest target. But politicians are almost too Galamsey. Chairman, yes, surface mine, almost too deep. Oh, I am yet to be told, say, oh, politician we are yet chino doing Galamsey. Yedinako Jina SMDBA and the person is in jail.
When a bear,
Minty be that. And secondly, so equipment be a backroom her. People import equipment idea Galamsey. Chairman, machines in the bar. We should be able to question some machines are air-based, such and farm machines, no. The only thing I heard here air Galamsey. Near Omodinam Siono almost saying you know. So if somebody is importing champagne machines,
they don't import to.
They assemble here.
Surpass no Omodiba. And I'm sure we should be able to have our expertise.
I think now okay say swam oko my zina. I bet me I bought champagne machines here. Obako kumpi. My machines here. How would you know? Alata from panel beaters. Panel beaters for Obama be there. Eh?
But I to conclude, I strongly believe, sir.
Yeah.
This onslaught is welcoming, is encouraging, but I am hesitant in my optimism because here won't be paying. 2017 we started really well. Chairman, it was commendable. Now and after 2 years, we all stopped talking about Galamsey
because we thought we had crossed the bridge.
Exactly. And I think, sir, because of the magnitude of distraction, it has got to be a sustainable effort. After 2 years now, we go back to sleep. Because these guys are very good with timing. The very minute they realize they are buying any non-crop for and Shadam Jun BMB they will return. The sanction regime should be stronger, should be more deterring. And there should be a reward arrangement too, a reward scheme. Chairman said, if you can come to present evidence, say me who say Galamsey air kosuwaha, and these are the individuals involved. I mean, the state should be able to reward people who come forward with information like that. Yes, Anna, you would have made it a collective fight, and everybody would have felt a part of it. Yes, Anna,